Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Android's Find My Device feature. Make sure that you have properly configured Find My mobile or device so that you're never left wondering how to find my phone. The additional functionality that it provides will give you the peace of mind that even if you're unable to recover the device, you can erase all data so that it doesn't fall in the wrong hands. The Find My Phone feature doesn't work without a Samsung account. You'll need to create one if you haven't already. Your phone must then be signed in to the Samsung account or Android's account for the Find My mobile tool to work. Step 1. Head over to the Biometrics and Security menu in the Settings app and tap on Find My Mobile. Ensure that this feature is enabled. You can also select options like Remote Unlock and Send Last Location if you prefer. Then, you can also enable SmartThings Find from this menu if you'd like. This feature can be used to find Samsung devices like smartphones, smartwatches, earbuds, and tablets even when they're offline. To use Find My Mobile to locate your Samsung phones or Android phone, visit findmymobile.samsung.com in your web browser. Log into the tool using your Samsung account details. Once logged in, you'll be presented with several different options. If your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi and cellular network, it will be shown. If it's assigned into the Samsung account, Find My Mobile is immediately going to display its location on a map. And that's all. Thank you for watching these videos and see you guys in the next video.